I replaced the magnetron so I wouldn't need to replace the entire microwave unit. It's a built-in so that would necessitate a lot of work. Works great and saved a lot of cash. The product is exactly what I needed to fix my microwave. Very simple. I am a 75-year-old woman who likes to tinker, so when my very expensive microwave stopped heating I went to YouTube and everything worked like a charm. The part was clean and packaged nicely. Solved my problem. I bought this part to replace my Breville microwave which lasts 7 years. This magnetron worked for 1 month. I wanted to return it but the return expired the day before it broke. I contacted the seller and they replaced the new one for me. I'm away so I didn't replace it yet. I'm not sure if this one will work and last long, but I love their customer service and the way they care about their customers. I'd recommend this seller to others. Thank you. Use this magnetron on my GE oven microwave model SCB1001MSS01. Was an exact replacement. Installed and microwave works great. My GE Advantium oven quit microwaving. After 15 years and to replace it would cost $1,000. The new magnetron fixed everything. The magnetron replaced a defective 14-year-old one in a GE profile oven. It arrived in a timely manner and was packaged safely. It checked out good in both a small continuity check and in a physical check. Installed easy and worked exactly correct, putting out full power as measured via calorific tests on water amount versus time. The repair part was perfect and the microwave works fine.